Ladies and gentlemen, let me ask you something today. What if I told you that your entire life could change? Not by luck, not by talent, not by some miracle, but by one simple secret habit. A habit so powerful yet so overlooked that it separates the dreamers from the doers, the starters from the finishers, the ones who wish from the ones who win. This habit does not demand perfection. It does not ask for brilliance. It asks for something far greater. And if you master it, it will transform your future, your confidence, your destiny. One secret habit that changes everything is not found in complicated routines, expensive books, or fancy strategies. It's something so simple yet so powerful that most people underestimate it. It is the habit of showing up consistently, unapologetically, no matter how you feel, no matter how heavy the world feels on your shoulders. Showing up sounds ordinary, but it transforms the ordinary into extraordinary. Think about it. The greatest athletes, the most successful leaders, the most admired people in the world, what do they have in common? It's not that they were the smartest in the room or the most talented at the start. It's that they practiced the discipline of showing up. They showed up when they didn't feel like it. They showed up when everyone else gave excuses. They showed up when it was boring, repetitive, and thankless. And because they showed up, they grew. Because they grew, they succeeded. Most people believe success comes in big breakthroughs, in overnight changes, in sudden strokes of luck. But the truth is, luck favors those who show up every day. Breakthroughs are built on the tiny bricks of consistency. You may not notice the change at first. It might feel like nothing is happening. But showing up compounds. It multiplies, it builds momentum. And one day, what seemed invisible becomes undeniable. The beauty of this habit is that it doesn't require perfection. You don't need to be at your best every single day. You just need to be there. Even if you're tired, even if you're uninspired, even if you're broken, even if you're doubting yourself, you show up. Do you realize how rare that is? Do you realize how powerful that is? The world is full of people waiting for the perfect moment, waiting for motivation, waiting for someone else to push them. But the ones who show up without waiting, they create their own destiny. Showing up is not about intensity, it's about consistency. Anybody can give their best for a day or two, but can you keep showing up after the excitement fades? Can you keep showing up when it gets hard, when it gets lonely, when it gets frustrating? That's the difference between dreamers and achievers. Dreamers wait for inspiration. Achievers build habits. Think of your goals right now. Maybe you want to get healthier, build a business, learn a skill, or transform your life in some way. The question is not whether you can do it. The question is whether you will show up for it. Will you show up to exercise even when it rains? Will you show up to study when no one is watching? Will you show up to practice when you're not improving as fast as you want? Because if you do, everything changes. This one habit is the ultimate equalizer. You may not have the same resources, opportunities, or connections as someone else. But if you show up relentlessly, you will outlast, outgrow, and outperform people who started ahead of you but quit along the way. Life doesn't reward the fastest starter. It rewards the one who keeps moving, step by step, day after day. Showing up is also about integrity. It's a promise you make to yourself. And when you keep that promise, you build trust in yourself. You stop waiting for external validation because you know you're doing the work. You stop upping your worth because your actions prove your commitment. The world may question you, but you won't question yourself. And that's when you become unstoppable. It's easy to show up when the spotlight is on, when the applause is loud, when recognition is pouring in. But the real transformation happens in the quiet hours, in the unseen moments when no one is clapping for you. It happens in the early mornings when you wake up and work on yourself before the world wakes up. It happens in the late nights when you keep going while everyone else has given up. It happens in the silence, in the solitude, in the grind. That's where character is built. That's where winners are made. Showing up every day trains your mind to focus, your heart to commit, and your spirit to believe. It reminds you that you are not powerless. You may not control the outcome, but you control the effort. And effort, given consistently, eventually bends the outcome in your favor. Imagine planting a seed. You water it one day and expect it to grow overnight. It won't. But if you keep watering it daily, even when you see nothing happening above the surface, roots are growing beneath. And when the time comes, that tiny seed breaks through the soil and becomes something beautiful. That's what showing up does. It builds invisible roots that one day break into visible success. There will be days when you'll want to quit. There will be days when you'll question whether it's worth it. Those are the days that matter the most. Those are the days that separate the ones who succeed from the ones who surrender. If you show up in those moments, you'll discover a strength you never knew you had. You'll realize that resilience is built in the fire of resistance. So many people waste their lives waiting for confidence before they act. But confidence doesn't come before action, it comes after. When you show up repeatedly, you become better. When you become better, you become more confident. And when you become confident, you dare to dream bigger. The secret is not waiting to feel ready. The secret is showing up even when you don't. Your future self is watching you right now. Imagine 5 years from now, looking back. What will matter more, how motivated you felt or whether you showed up? The habit of showing up creates a version of you that is disciplined, focused, resilient, and powerful. It builds a life that is not based on chance, but on choice. Every great story you admire started with someone showing up when no one else cared. Every masterpiece you've seen was built by hours of showing up behind closed doors. Every breakthrough invention came from countless days of showing up when it seemed pointless. Success is never one big leap. It's 1,000 small steps of showing up. And here's the secret most people never understand. When you show up for your goals, you're not just building results, you're building identity. You stop saying, I want to be successful, and you start becoming the kind of person who earns success. You stop saying, I hope to change, and you start becoming the change. That's the magic of this habit. It doesn't just change what you achieve, it changes who you are. So if you want to know the one secret habit that changes everything, it's this. Show up. Show up today, show up tomorrow. Show up when you're scared. Show up when you're tired. Show up when it hurts. Show up when no one believes in you. Because the world doesn't give opportunities to the best. It gives them to the ones who are still there when everyone else has walked away. Because the world doesn't give opportunities to the best. It gives them to the ones who are still there when everyone else has walked away. And the truth is, that habit of showing up creates a ripple effect across every area of your life. When you show up for your work, you get better at your craft. When you show up for your health, your body starts rewarding you with energy and strength. When you show up for your relationships, trust deepens and bonds grow stronger. It's never about one moment of brilliance. It's about the accumulation of all those moments when you decided to stay present and committed. The secret lies in understanding that showing up doesn't always look the same every day. Some days you will show up with fire in your soul, with energy that lights up the room. Other days you'll show up tired, quiet, and unsure. But it doesn't matter. What matters is that you did not let the day go by without honoring your promise to yourself. This is where most people get it wrong. They think that if they can't give their absolute best, it's not worth doing. But the truth is, even on your weakest days, showing up at 40% still keeps the flame alive. That 40% adds up. That 40% makes sure the habit stays intact. That 40% is proof that you are stronger than your excuses. When you begin to understand this, you stop chasing perfection and start valuing persistence. You stop being paralyzed by the fear of not being enough, and you begin to realize that enough is simply giving what you have today. That kind of mindset changes everything because suddenly you're no longer trapped by self-doubt. You are free to progress, free to grow, free to take one more step forward. And that one step, repeated over and over, eventually builds the staircase to your dreams. The beauty of showing up is that it also teaches patience. In today's world, we are addicted to instant results. We want the quick fix, the overnight success, the fast transformation. But life doesn't work that way. The most valuable things take time to build. A tree doesn't grow in a day. A masterpiece isn't painted in a single stroke. A legacy is not created in a week. It's the patient accumulation of effort that eventually turns into greatness. Showing up teaches you how to wait without giving up. It teaches you how to trust the process, even when you cannot yet see the results. And here's the fascinating part. When you keep showing up, you begin to fall in love with the process itself. At first, it feels like a chore. You push yourself because you know you should. But with time, the act of showing up becomes a part of who you are. It feels unnatural not to do it. it becomes as normal as brushing your teeth or eating a meal. And when it becomes a part of your identity, that's when you've won. That's when discipline has replaced motivation. That's when success becomes inevitable. The world is filled with people who had potential but never nurtured it. They had the talent, the opportunities, maybe even the right timing, but they didn't have the discipline to keep showing up. And potential without persistence dies in silence. Do not let that be your story. You may not control how talented you are compared to someone else, but you absolutely control whether you show up today. That's your power. That's your choice. When you show up, you also inspire others. People are watching you even when you don't realize it. Your family, your friends, your colleagues, maybe even strangers. They see your consistency, they see your dedication, and it lights something inside them. Your act of showing up becomes permission for them to believe they can do the same. You may think you're just doing something small for yourself, but in reality, you're planting seeds of courage in others. That's the kind of influence that truly changes the world. And there's another truth. Showing up will not always be glamorous. There will be days when it feels boring, when the routine feels repetitive, when progress feels invisible. But don't confuse boredom with failure. Boredom is often the sign that you are building mastery. When a pianist practices scales, it's not exciting. When a writer writes draft after draft, it's not glamorous. When an athlete trains in silence, it's not entertaining. But it's in those monotonous hours that greatness is built. Showing up in the dull moments is what allows you to shine in the defining ones. Showing up also reshapes your relationship with failure. You stop seeing failure as the end and start seeing it as feedback. Because if you're willing to show up again after you fail, then failure loses its power over you. You learn, you adjust, you grow, and you move forward stronger than before. Think about it. If failure could truly stop you, you wouldn't even be here today. You failed before, and yet you kept showing up. That's why you're still standing. That's why you're still in the game. That's why you're still capable of achieving more than you can imagine. There's an incredible freedom that comes with showing up without attaching yourself to immediate results. Because when you let go of the obsession with outcomes, you discover the joy of progress. You begin to notice the small victories along the way, the extra push-up you managed, the page you wrote, the new skill you picked up, the moment you chose discipline over comfort. These small victories fuel you, and over time, they add up into monumental achievements. Ask yourself right now, what dream have you put on hold because you've been waiting for the right moment? What goal have you delayed because you didn't feel ready? What vision have you silenced because you thought it was too late? The truth is, the right moment will never come. Readiness is an illusion. The only way to be ready is to begin. And the only way to begin is to show up. At first step may be small, but it is the spark that lights the fire. When you show up, life notices. Opportunities begin to appear in ways you didn't expect. People start recognizing your dedication. Doors you never imagined start opening. It may not happen instantly, but it will happen. Because the world has a way of rewarding persistence. Life respects those who refuse to give up. There will be people who doubt you, who question you, who may even laugh at your commitment. But let them, because while they are busy doubting, you are busy building. While they are busy criticizing, you are busy creating. While they are busy talking, you are busy showing up. And one day, when your results speak louder than their doubts, they will realize the power of this simple secret habit. You don't need to change everything overnight. You don't need to have all the answers. You just need to start and then keep showing up. That's it. That's the habit. That's the secret. That's the way to transform your life. That's the way to transform your life. And what you'll discover as you keep showing up is that life begins to respond to you differently. People start treating you with a new kind of respect, not because you asked for it, but because consistency commands it. Opportunities that once seemed impossible suddenly begin to align with your path. Challenges that once felt unbearable now become manageable because showing up has given you resilience. It has trained you to keep moving no matter what stands in your way. Every time you show up, you are proving something to yourself. You are proving that you can count on you. That kind of self-trust is rare. Most people break promises to themselves daily, They say they'll start tomorrow, but tomorrow never comes. They say they'll give it one more chance, but excuses drown their efforts. You, however, when you choose to show up, even imperfectly, you are teaching yourself that you are reliable. You are training your mind to believe that when you say something, you mean it. That's not just discipline, that's power. And power built on self-trust is unshakable. Because when the world doubts you, when people question you, when circumstances challenge you, you already know the truth. You already know that no matter how hard it gets, you'll show up again. And that inner certainty is stronger than any external obstacle. Think about what happens when you refuse to show up. The dream remains just that, a dream. It lingers in your mind, haunting you with what ifs. You imagine the life you could have had, the person you could have become, the opportunities you could have seized. But those dreams never come alive because you didn't give them the consistency they required. That regret is far heavier than any challenge that comes with showing up. When you show up, even for just a few minutes each day, you're saying yes to your future. You're saying yes to growth. You're saying yes to transformation. Imagine the difference between someone who shows up for their goals daily for 1 year and someone who doesn't. The gap is not small, it's massive. It's the gap between mediocrity and mastery, between wishing and winning, between talking about it and actually living it. And what's incredible is that showing up is contagious. When you build that discipline in one area of your life, it spills into others. If you show up for your fitness, you start having the energy to show up in your career. If you show up in your career, you gain the confidence to show up in your relationships. If you show up in your relationships, you find the courage to show up for your passions. It all connects. One simple act of consistency creates a chain reaction that transforms everything. You don't need to climb the entire mountain in a single day. You just need to take the next step, and then the next, and then the next. Showing up is that step. Every single time you do it, you're building momentum. And momentum is powerful. Momentum turns effort into progress, progress into results, and results into belief. Once you believe, there's no limit to what you can achieve. But here's the secret few people talk about. You will never feel like showing up every day. There will be days when your mind tells you to skip it, when your body begs you to rest, when your heart whispers that it doesn't matter. Those are the most important days. Because anyone can show up when they feel motivated. It's the days when you don't feel like it that define you. Those days shape your character. Those days test your resolve. Those days separate the average from the extraordinary. Success doesn't demand perfection. Success demands persistence. The universe doesn't ask you to be flawless. It asks you to be faithful. Faithful to your dream, faithful to your journey, faithful to the commitment you made to yourself. And faithfulness is proven in the act of showing up. Not once, not twice, but again and again and again. Every hero you've ever admired had ordinary days. Days when nothing seemed to work. Days when progress felt invisible. Days when it would have been so easy to give up. But they didn't. They showed up anyway. And that's what made them extraordinary. Their greatness wasn't in a single moment of glory. It was in the invisible, quiet discipline of showing up in the dark before the light appeared. When you make showing up your habit, you discover a deeper sense of purpose. Because it's no longer about chasing external validation. It's no longer about proving something to the world. It becomes about proving something to yourself. It becomes about honoring your own potential, respecting your own worth, and living in alignment with who you know you can be. That's when your life changes from the inside out. And as your life changes, so does your perspective. You stop waiting for the perfect circumstances, and you start creating them. You stop hoping for inspiration, and you start generating it. You stop looking for shortcuts, and you start building foundations. This is the transformation that comes from the simple act of showing up. You might think one day doesn't matter, one missed effort won't make a difference, but it does. Because every day you either reinforce your discipline or you reinforce your excuses. Every day you're casting a vote for the person you're becoming. If you show up, you're voting for your future self. If you don't, you're voting for your comfort zone. And over time, those votes decide who you are. Think of every great achievement in history. Behind it are countless unseen days of showing up. The scientist who made the discovery, the artist who created the masterpiece, the leader who inspired millions. They didn't just wake up one morning and succeed. They woke up countless mornings, showed up and put in the work. Their public success was only possible because of their private discipline. And the truth is, your life is no different. Whatever dream you carry in your heart, whatever vision you hold in your mind, it is waiting for you to show up for it. Not once, not twice, but relentlessly. Because dreams don't come true by wishing. They come true by working. And work only gets done when you show up. You already have everything within you to build the life you want. The question is not whether you can. The question is whether you will. Will you show up when it's uncomfortable? Will you show up when no one notices? Will you show up when the progress is invisible? If you can answer yes, then everything else will fall into place. The journey may not be easy, but it will be worth it. Every drop of effort compounds into something bigger. Every act of discipline builds your strength. Every moment of persistence shapes your destiny. And it all starts with the one secret habit that changes everything: showing up. Showing up. And the more you do it, the more you realize that it doesn't just shape your achievement. Hence, it shapes your identity. Every time you show up, you are rewriting your story. You are no longer the person who waits for luck, who waits for someone else to believe in them, who waits for the stars to align. You become the person who takes ownership, who acts in spite of fear, who pushes forward even when no one is watching. That shift in identity is the real transformation. Because once you see yourself as someone who always shows up, you begin to approach every challenge, every dream, every opportunity